Let's make some immune boosting turmeric tea recipe with pineapples. So I have my cooking water here. That's the first thing you need for this turmeric immune boosting tea. Next thing is you grab your pineapple peels. Just add it in like so. Just make sure you have boiling water in the pot already. After you have added this, we're going to add some pineapples, some of the leaves. Add it in like so. Next thing, add your turmeric powder. Just go ahead and add. This is turmeric. You can also add your fresh turmeric, ginger, garlic. Blend them and add everything in. We are going to go in with our herbs. We have some cloves, we have some anista, we have some black peppercorn, the one that has white, black and red, and then we have some cinnamon sticks. Add all of this in. You can also add ground black peppercorn. These are my blended pineapple, turmeric, ginger, garlic. I have some red onion here also. I have carrots and celery. Add it in. We are going to add it in. I added some water just to make sure I shake everything in. This is a cleanser. It will clean your blood, clean you from inflammation, arthritis, and all the rest of them. This is my avocado leaves. Okay, we are adding it. This is my lemongrass. This is my lemon and lime leaves. So we are going to add all of this. These herbs will make you hold again. Add all of these herbs. This will help you. Like, I can't emphasize about this enough. This is a special request. So I'm making this for a special request. Alright, so we have lemon and lime. I'm going to squeeze some of the juice out. And then we can pour it inside. This is what you want to do. If you like, you can just go ahead and add it in like so, but it's okay to squeeze it out. That way the whole juice comes out and it works like magic. For this tea you need enough citrus. If you have oranges, go ahead. If you have grapes, orange, you go ahead. Yeah, please go ahead and try this tea for your family, friends and loved ones. Just squeeze it in my pot. I'm going to add all of this. That's the last thing I'm going to add. Allow it to come to a boil just for about 10 minutes because it's not a lot. This is the size of the pot. If it's a big pot, you allow it for 20 minutes, 25 minutes. But we're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes, okay? Be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful hearts. Share this to your family, friends, and loved ones. Give it a massive thumbs up.